Hello guys, welcome to the Jackie channel today. So we are practicing the backgrounds database. So we are getting started around the 15 minutes. How did So like and subscribe to the channel, and then they actually learn about KK. Because Tommy actually learned about this. Well, I think I take Mr. Tommy off. And then let's go started from these commanders. The strongest hero, strongest hunter, there's inside boar, and ready ranger, the boot demon, blade master, Windburn. But this is a Robux. We are not using that. So let's get started, guys. So we are in China today. We are going to learn about this. So okay, we are here now, guys. So we are beating the Mr. Dummy. This is actually ugly. So let's do it. Wow. Mr. Dummy. We are happy. So let's turn it up. First president mode. Okay, we are getting the ultimate mode. Just let's start it. Guys, don't forget like and subscribe to the channel. So we are using the number for M2. Not the number 1, not the number 2. So let's get started. First music. So guys, we are here, so let's kill this Mr. Dummy, speaker. Let's go to an audition. So guys, we are having ultimate mode, so let's get started. So we are starting the cyborg because that is hard, but we are not using that. So let's get started. Okay, we are starting the killing the Mikistami. So let's get started.
Zamboanga del Norte na talaga namang tawag pansin dahil ang jowa ng mga babae noon puro raw at foreigner. Ngayong most beautiful day in the universe, kasama sa mga pagwakang ng walinaw ang bandila ng mga babae sa barangay Kawang-Kawang, Dapitan, Philippines. Ang ilan sa mga dalaga kasi ito, kajowa, nakakapangasawa ng mga
Gusto nila malaki ang magaganda at pogi.
single mother of two na si April. Mga Pinoy naman
Okay, we are got the ultimate mode. So let's get started, guys.
True love.
Parang
Si Joe. He knows. Si April.
Okay, we are finished the ninja. Let's go get the Vernicus. Let's get started. Okay, guys, we are here, but let's go beat the dog. Beat the dog. Okay, let's get
Si Cherry, nakakapangasawa ng Cory.
asawa ko ng tayo, parang maamin kita sa hirap.
Hanggang nakilala nga ni Cherry, si Leva kasal na si Cherry. Ay,
Buwan-buwan, hindi ko salamat sa kanya. makapag-asawa sila. Kasi wala. Ay,
Abay, proud pa nga niyang i-flinex at nakarelasyon niyang foreigner. Pero bago niya Sheena, seryoso daw siya sa mga nakakausap niyang afam.
Siguro nag-i-distract pag may
Pinaka-person na lahat siya. Official jowa. Sheena, nag-download ng dating app.
Nagbabayad ako like 399 per month, may mga 500.
Tired!
Because feeling warm.
Ibabala ka lang sa kanya.
Na-turn off na siya.
Nagalit ka, bilak na ako.
Ganyan, ganyan, diba?
Pakistani.
8 out of 10, mabait.
Hindi daw siya nakitang red flag.
Kung may pagkat-tunit, nakakontrol, iwan ko na lang ito kaya nagpapalaki sa kanya.
Si Sheena, in love daw ulit. Ano siya? Isang taon.
Sabi niya, dati ay nasa Australia ngayon, yung mga attitude, pero kung
Daw siya pinakamahal sa lahat ng kanyang mga nakarelasyon. Naging boyfriend sa loob ng 2 taon ang Amerikanong si John.
Okay guys, we are got the open